Hi, welcome back. Day 5 here at my golf corner at home. Little quick updates. I've been doing some minor landscaping, a little fine-tuning, preparing for the cups also in the little putting green. So now I'm going to add some more sand, compress it even more, and just be ready for when the weather gets a little good again. They are talking about snow tomorrow, so I won't be doing any work down here, that's for sure. So I'm going to prepare for the snow and prepare for the finishing touches on my little putting green. So enjoy the rest of the video. So this is how it looks at the moment. Need to put some more sand on some places. See, you got a little too much slope over here. Got the cord around the stone, so it's easy for me to find the holes I prepared for the cups. Made a little bag with the wheat fabric and some stones, so I can just pull that up and place the cup inside the hole when I receive the cups. So a little more sand, and my newest best friend.